Some of the most memorable moments in UN history occurred during General Assembly week. Asking to decide which is the best General Assembly or the best moment, very hard. I mean, there was a time George Bush, as U.S. President, was sitting in the Security Council chamber during that week, and he passed a note to Condoleezza Rice, and a photographer in one of the overhead booths zoomed in on it, and you could tell he was saying he had to go to the bathroom. How about Muammar Gaddafi, longtime leader of Libya? He was supposed to speak like everyone else for about 15 minutes. He went on for 96 minutes, at one point ripping a portion of a page in the United Nations Charter. Another big moment happened several times. Then President Ahmadinejad of Iran denounced various aspects of 9/11, attacked the West, and various Western countries had their representatives get up out of their chairs and head for the exits. I remember the time U.S. President Bush spoke in 2006.
Your lives and the credibility of the United Nations is at stake.
Afterward, the Venezuelan leader, Hugo Chavez, spoke, and in probably one of the more memorable quotes, he came up to the podium and he said he detects the smell of sulfur in the air, indicating that he felt the devil and George Bush had been there.
And it smells of sulfur still today.
Another moment, Turkish leader Erdogan demanded to go inside the General Assembly hall when Palestinian President Abbas was about to declare the quest for statehood. What happened? Turkish security tried to get in the wrong exit door to go in, and UN security kept them out, and there was a fistfight and a battle with various uniformed UN personnel on the floor. This is the Super Bowl of diplomacy, and you never know what can happen during these special weeks.